Hey, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to turn an ordinary mug into realistic glass using Blender Eevee. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you're using the Eevee render engine. Go to the Render Properties tab, enable Screen Space Reflections, and under that, check the box for Refraction. This is key for realistic glass effects. Next, head over to the Material Properties, add a new material and adjust the following settings. Set Specular, Roughness, and Sheen Tint all the way down to 0. And then increase Transmission to 1 and set the other value to 0.1. Now scroll down in the Material Properties panel. Under Settings, change the Blend mode to Alpha Hashed, enable Screen Space Refraction, and set Refraction Depth to 0.1. Already, your mug should start to resemble glass. But we're not done yet. We're going to make it even smoother and more realistic. Now switch to the Shading workspace. Press Shift+A to add nodes, or use the Add button in the shader editor. Start by adding a Mix Shader node and a transparent BSDF node. Connect the principled BSDF to the first input of the Mix Shader, and the transparent BSDF to the second input. Then connect the Mix Shader to the material output. Next, press Shift+A again and add a Fresnel node and a Math node. Connect the Fresnel output to the Math node's input. Set the Math node to Multiply, tick the clamp option, and increase the value to 200. And there you have it, a perfectly smooth and realistic glass mug in Eevee. That's it for today's tutorial. Your mug should now look like realistic glass, and you've learned some powerful techniques to elevate your Blender creations. Thank you for watching. See you next video.